If you're someone that likes a bit of pizza every now and again, but not having the whole pizza, maybe you got leftovers and you want to be sensible and store them, either keep them in the fridge or keep in the freezer. This is what you're looking for. I frequently see pizzas on clearance, fresh pizzas, and because I don't eat the whole thing, I never pick them up. Or sometimes I see some specialty ones, I'm like, oh, I bet that's good. But again, I'm trying to portion control, so I never just go for it. This is what I'm going to be using this for. This is perfect if you've got leftovers or you want to pre-portion your pizzas, so you can either put them in the fridge, put them in the freezer, and only cook or reheat one at a time, which is what I'll be doing. A couple of slices with a little bit of salad is absolutely perfect. Not only does it help me portion control, it makes that pizza go a bit further, so I'm not tempted just to eat it mindlessly, which is what I've done in the past. All you need to do is to divide your pizza up, place them in layer by layer. There are microwavable plates as well, so you can put those in there just to divide them up, to keep them separated. And when you're ready to cook or reheat, pop them in the oven, pop them in the air fryer, which is what I do, pressing the bread button, and you have pizza slices whenever you want. Absolutely genius.